Hey everybody, my name is Sandra Esquivias. I'm seeking the Early Childhood Special Education Added Authorization. I am located in Bakersfield, California. My family situation is I'm a single parent. I have a 9-year-old son. My job history is I've been in education for 7 years now. My first 3 years, I was an instructional assistant substitute for Kern High School District. And then the next 2 years, I was a substitute teacher for BCSD in Kern High. And then the past 2 years, I taught pre-K kinder SH for BCSD. And in August, I'm still with BCSD, but I'll be teaching first to third SH. And the reason is because my waiver expired, and but I'm hoping as soon as I complete these courses and I get the added authorization, I will be able to transfer back into preschool the following year. And then my educational goals are for I should be completing my master's in education next year in May. And then my professional goals are to continue to teach at least till like my late 30s, and I'm currently 30. And then after, I would like to apply for program specialist position.